Yes, there is a hadith of a beloved Prophet Muhammad. It is in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, hadith number 5707, where the beloved Prophet said there is no adwa. Adwa means contagious disease. What you have to understand, that you have to read, and it says that there are no bad omens, etc., and it continues the hadith. But if you read the Sharah and the commentary of this hadith, it says that here what the Prophet meant was, when there is no adwa, there is no contagious disease which can be conveyed without the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It means that no one can acquire any contagious disease unless it is permitted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is not just a blanket statement that there is no contagious diseases. Otherwise, as you mentioned correctly, it would be against medical science. There are, and if you read the complete hadith, the hadith says there is no adwa, there is no contagious diseases, meaning there is no contagious disease. It is not conveyed unless with the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and there is no bad omens, etc. And it says that if you see a leper, run away from it as though you have seen a lion. This indicates that leprosy is a contagious disease